I just got the notification that my Smith blade is here. Let's see. Got it. Okay, we got the package up to my desk, and now we're ready for the unboxing. We got my other two multi-tools here, as well as my jerry rig knife and my knife from when I was a Boy Scout. Unlike James, I'm not going to be destroying this. This really needs to be sharpened. 1 second. Got anything else in here? Nope. Here is my Smith blade light. Let's get into the box. There it is. That's a really good fit. Anything else in here? Nope. Use wisely, the Hacksmith. I've got a desk full of knives, but plastic is getting in my way. Sad. Here it is. Even for the light, it's lighter than I expected. Let's see how it sounds. That is ridiculously nice. For those who don't know, the Smith Blade Light is one of the latest products from Hacksmith Industries. It's a 7-in-1 multi-tool with a 14C28N blade, a 15-degree protractor, a nail file, a metric and imperial ruler, tweezers, wire strippers, and a reversible belt clip. It is the lowest model of 4 Smith Blade Light, Standard, Pro, and Founders Edition. The Smith Blades were initially launched through an incredibly successful Kickstarter that raised over 11 million USD. I was lucky enough to be backer number 615 in that Kickstarter, where I got this Smith Blade Light along with a Founders Edition Smith Blade, which is still on the way. It'll hopefully be here soon. Now I'm going to test the edge of each of these knives, starting with my Boy Scout knife, which I do not have much confidence in. This thing has been dull for years. Next is the blade on my pliers, which I don't think I've ever actually used. Better than the other one, but it's kind of hard to get the cut going. Next is the blade for my hammer, which I know, at least when I got it, was razor sharp. It could be how I'm holding the paper, but it didn't do the best. Once you get it in there, it's okay, but again, not the best. Next is my jerry rig knife, and this one is literally a razor blade. Behaves as expected. And now, the Smith blade. I mean, that is crazy. To anyone who's made it this far, thank you for watching. I didn't intend on this being the first video I put on this channel, but I had to make a video about this. There are a bunch of other projects that I'm currently working on, 3 of which I've already filmed videos about, but I've kind of been procrastinating editing the videos. This is one of them. If anyone is interested in seeing those, feel free to subscribe. Or don't. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.